Look out.
2Shay done brung this Camaro out here, y'all. Let me see what, this is a 67. 2Shay with his 67 Camaro. One seat and some jumper cables. I mean, he got a bullshit battery on here right now. Bullshit battery.
That bitch ready.
That bitch ready?
Huh?
This motherfucker ready?
What you talking to?
I thought.
I just now started bringing my shit out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's my pit crew. I hired a motherfucker.
Yeah.
All the way from Louisiana.
Oh, yeah?
That's my pit crew. I flew his ass in.
What?
Yeah, we don't bullshit.
Okay. We ain't bullshit. We gonna go up here and see what 2Shay gonna do. Got his boy just came on here from Louisiana. They done flew him in American Airlines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then this other nigga.
Yeah.
I flew him out of Chicago.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I don't bullshit. I ain't had that nigga pants free.
Oh, you had a pan creep?
Yeah.
But when he get over here, it already. Yeah. He make sure his pit crews be good, y'all.
Yeah. Then I got this blind ass motherfucker over here.
Oh, he blind?
Yeah, he can't hardly see.
Oh, okay. What you be letting him do then? Just check the plugs. Migo.
What you wanna run?
You wanna run, Migo? Oh, he already got somebody.
Man, on with that bullshit.
Look out, Racing hat up in there.
That's nasty boy.
Yeah, we got nasty boy in here.
Is that a 440 or?
Nah, that's just a little old, little 4-cylinder. That's a 4-cylinder. Little 4-cylinder. Little 4-cylinder. Yeah, it's crazy. Is it gonna run funky town? No 850. No 850. Let's see what he got. With them brakes. Ooh, he got a rev game on point. See, who y'all betting with, man? No helmet, no seatbelt. He going against that bird. Somebody say, school looks serious, yeah. Left lane for the win. God damn, he ain't never go to second gear though. Okay, I don't know what we got up here, but it sound exotic. I told y'all that was gonna be exotic. All the people. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Hey, y'all, we trying to hit 25,000 subscribers. I got 2,400 of y'all on TikTok. Get over here to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Jason said we trying to get to 50,000. I don't even know what this is. They bringing out these cars that just been sitting somewhere. They just bring out all these. Oh, he done fucked it up, y'all. Ah, he done fucked it up. Shit, hold it. Ooh, is it hauled out? God damn. I want to ride with somebody, but shit, it's too late. He done fucked it up, y'all. Damn. Ooh, how much y'all ready to run, y'all? Let me see, I ain't got number cards in my pockets. We good. Y'all ready? 1, 2. Damn. 434 dispatch. We got a report. Damn, my backpack ain't zipped up. I can't do all that running right now. Hold up, shit falling everywhere. Hey, man, can you zip up this backpack, man? See where it done came loose at? I'm ready now. Okay, let's go. Look out. Got a lot of spectators coming down on the left shoulder. 434 dispatch. Lookout's on the way. He has it in HD. If you don't want everyone to see it, you're gonna have to hurry up, Bubba. It's not gonna be like the last wreck where you can barely see this time. He has a little 4G. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Damn, they finna get me, y'all. I already feel like this. I'm with them. Damn. Fuck, man. I thought I was gonna be able to do it. They said, is he alright? Man, I just ran an 1/8 mile for this shit, man. Look out. I made a full pass on my shakedown. Hey, everybody go shout out, everybody go follow Lookout Racing. Yeah. They're the illest over here, bro. Can I just like hit a couple dance moves right now? Let me see.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he's subscribed too.
Lookout Racing. Yeah.
Lookout Racing.
Already, man. I appreciate that, man.